My name's Alan Hart, and today I've got a few different jobs, just past jobs from over the last few years, really. I've got leaking boilers, I've got poor installs that's been not installed very well. I've got carbon monoxide, where I've gone into a property and I've smelt fumes straight away, and I knew something were wrong. So I've got that as well. Yeah, first of all, what I'll do, I'll go over to a Viessmann, it's a Viessmann Vitodins 100 that's been installed, and the customer has got water, or the customer had water coming through the ceiling, and it's all stained and it's made a right mess. So yeah, let's go and have a look at that one. So we've been called out to a leak on this boiler, and as you can see here, it's all stained and it's making a right mess. And as we go to the top at landing here, we can see the condensate has been installed into a bucket. And this is a Viessmann, so it's a Viessmann Vitodins 100 combi boiler. So if we have a look again in here, push fit connections, and the install is shocking. And then the gas is 22 there. If we follow this gas down to here, it's been teed in to 15. So it's quite a bad install, really. So this copper pipe has been used as the condensate pipe. So it just shows importance not to use copper for a condensate pipe. It's actually rotted away. So that were connected on there, and let's see a condensate. And if you have a look here, it's all leaks through. So it's a right mess. Please comment below and tell me what you would do if you found a boiler like this. Yeah. So you can see the reason that we use plastic pipe on condensates. So on that job, obviously they'd used copper pipe. Some people might expect copper pipe would have been better, but unfortunately the condensate from the boiler corrodes copper, so you must do that in plastic pipe. As I said, please add some comments below, let me know what you think of that install. What we'll do now, I'll show you a water heater that I went to. This water heater, I went to it, and as soon as I went into the room I could smell the fumes, and then, well, I'll show you. Today I've come to a boiler to do a service. It's a Brittany 2T, and when I've got here, the customer says the pilot light's been going out. So the customer have tried to relight this themselves, and they tried to take the case off, and when they've done that, they've left the screws undone on the case, which has burnt the seal. They managed then to get the pilot light to work, and since then this has been working. So it's been working with all the fumes coming back in. So when I came into this property, I could smell the fumes, and clearly there you can see it's melted all the seal. It's actually been, well, it's totally melted. So please don't play with gas unless you're gas safe registered, because this could have had a really, well, this customer could have been, well, the customer could have died. So yeah, so don't mess with gas, and always use a gas safe registered engineer. Stay safe, guys. Thank you. I'm just doing some video while I'm on school run, so I'm just waiting outside school. But yeah, if we have a look at that water heater, scary really. Just shows that you need to be gas safe registered or competent if you're going to do any work at all on gas boilers or any gas appliances at all. The next one I'm going to show you, this is a boiler that I installed. I actually installed it on this street just here, just near school where my kids go to school, and it worked fine when it was installed. And then after a few weeks, I think it was about 2 weeks, it started to have a problem. So I'll show you that now. New Baxi Platinum just been installed. We've got 12 millibar on gas, so this was fitted about 3 or 4 weeks ago and it was working fine. And then it looks like the governor is faulty on gas meter. So we've got 12 millibar there. That were a bit of a strange one, that. What had happened, the gas board had updated some of the gas mains out in the street, and what they found out is mud had got in the gas pipe, so the gas pipe were almost blocked, and when they took the connection off outside, there was hardly any gas came out of it. So they had to update the gas main to the house, and then it was fine then after that. But I don't normally have any issues with the Baxi Platinum, so it was a bit of a strange one, because when you get called back, you're like, oh, have I done something wrong or something like that? But yeah, it were all good. Right, the next one I've got a little bit of a scary header tank to show you now. Yeah, let's have a look at this. So we're just up in the loft now. Look at that. It's actually got green mould on it. I've actually, in all the years of doing this job, I've never ever seen anything like this before. If you know what this is, please add in the comments below, and let me know what it is. So eventually I did find out what that was in that header tank, but what I'd really like, add some comments below and let me know what you think it is. But it was horrible stuff. It took some really took some cleaning and getting out, did that. Next one, I've just got a random video next, which is, it's just a Worcester Bosch left hand block that's leaking. Very common. Most of you will have changed quite a lot of these, I would imagine. But yeah, I'll just show you how they pinhole. There, it's just leaking on the left hand block, and you normally get a slight mist like that. Don't know if you can just see top right hand corner there, and then it just drips down underneath. Very common. See, it's just leaking all down underneath. Very common fault. And on the right hand side, it normally leaks from this pipe here, and this is the flow turbine adapter, and again just another common leak on these boilers, on the Worcester Bosch boiler. That's the leaking Worcester Bosch, very common fault. If you've got water coming down on the left hand side, then it's normally the full manifold, flow manifold, that needs changing. If it's leaking on the right hand side, it would normally be the flow turbine adapter. Sometimes they can leak and you need to change the full block on the right hand side. That's not that as common. It's normally the flow turbine adapter. Yeah, so if you've got any questions, please ask them in comments below. And if you like this type of video, if you could just add some comments and let me know. I've actually got lots and lots. I think I've got about, I don't know if it's 40 or 60,000 clips of videos and pictures and jobs that I've done over years. So I could add lots and lots of content. And if you've got any questions or any tips or all like that we can share with other people. And then again, just add it in comments below. And I'm going to do an updated video on boiler quotes. A lot of people were saying that the video that I did on boiler quotes were really good, but I didn't give any prices and what I'd quoted, and whether I got the jobs or not as well. So yeah, I'm going to do an updated video on that. I'll show you the before, I'll show you what I quoted, and I'll tell you whether or not I got the job. And yeah, and you can see whether you think my price is too cheap or my price is too high. The jobs that I got, if you would have chose me to do it on them prices, and then the ones that I didn't get, why you believe I didn't get them as well. So yeah, I'm babbling on again. Right, okay, thanks for watching.